surrounding structures, and it's hard to focus on that sternum. What else is wrong with this image? Okay. The reason that when we're obliquing our patient, it's only a slight rotation between 5 to 20 degrees because our objective there is just to get the sternum out of the way of the spine. But they've obliqued them too much where you're not seeing the full sternum, you're starting to see it more in a almost rotated orientation. So now it's hard to see the sternum. There's too much rotation on that. What else is the most identifiable of, okay, it was the breathing technique. All right. Identify 2 repeatable errors on this. This is, first of all, what projection is this?
Lower.
Okay, so an
Lower
AP
rib
ribs
margin.
below the diaphragm. 2 repeatable errors. 2. Okay, what's the most obvious? What's the most obvious? Okay, so we're cutting off the ribs, right? How many sets of ribs should we see for the lower diaphragm? I mean, lower ribs.
From 8 to 12.
12, so we've got 12, 11, 10, maybe 9. So to get us a better image of this, what are 2 things that we can do to improve this image? Lay them down. What else?
Different
Do it
KV.
on inspiration or expiration?
Expiration.
Expiration. Okay. So you may want to take that extra step and lay them down on the table.
Is there any rotation
Uh,
on the upper part?
On the upper part, I can't tell. I can tell on the lower part. Lower part looks okay because the ribs are evenly distributed from side to side. There's also a trick that I'll show you guys later on. When I'm looking at this, I can tell if there's rotation by simply looking at the vertebral column. I'll teach you guys the trick later on. I won't talk about it now. Because if I were to say Scotty dogs, literally Scotty dogs, you guys know what Scotty dogs are?
Mhm.
The dog, short legs. Okay. When you're looking at lumbar spine, there is an outline of what looks like a Scottish dog. And I'll show you guys next semester. You have to wait. All right, lateral sternum. Are we okay with this?
No.
Okay, what are we missing there? So we're missing the xiphoid process, the bottom of it. So did they center too high or too low?
Too high.
Too high. Okay, so we want to go mid-sternum. Here's your manubrium, xiphoid process somewhere down here. What's wrong with this one?
Less go.
Too much collimation?
Okay, yeah, it's too wide open, right? It's too wide open. So there's a couple of things that's wrong with this one. First of all, it's too wide open. This shouldn't be a chest x-ray, it's a sternal x-ray. We can see xiphoid, but we can't see manubrium because what's happening? Arms should be out of the way. They're doing this, and so you got some extra muscle here that's being superimposed over the manubrium. So it's poor positioning. Arms should be by the side or behind them. Okay, should be by the side or behind them. Too much collimation, again, they could have collimated a little bit better. So it looks like they centered mid-chest instead of over the sternum. All right, that's the end. Okay.